Hi, my name is Naomi and I travel the world with my husband Brent. Brent is a travel medical technologist, which means he works in hospital labs all over the United States. Wherever he's needed, we're there. Join us on our adventures! What's our breakfast, Brenta? Healthy and nutritious. Can't find sugar anywhere for the coffee, and there's no milk or creamer, so I'm gonna try to melt this into my coffee and see what happens. There's so many of them right there. So Brenta went to go get a haircut here in Florida, and I guess the person was a bit willy-nilly with the razor.
Probably went crazy.
And he got this little line in his head. He's never had that before, and I'm not sure what it's called, but interesting. It's a new look. Poor dude, though. He's bleeding everywhere on his neck.
You've arrived.
It's so cute. It looks like a little swimming pool. Hopefully no alligators, right? I don't think it's quite warm enough to go swimming today, but wow. Oh wow. Oh, you scared them. It is? Hello, little fishies. They're gonna come and eat my feet. There's a way more fish over there. I think that part's hotter. Did you see that? Must have been a fish that wanted to eat the bugs that were close to the water. Wow. Wekiwa Springs. Can't even get you in frame. And it cost $6 to get in our car. And when I first put it into the GPS, I didn't put State Park, so it just brought us to a little, I guess, a street that had the same name. But luckily the State Park was only like 7 extra minutes away, so it's so pretty. So we're back from the springs, and I seriously can't figure out if it's Wekiwa or Wekiwa, because I saw that, I saw both of those in the area or whatever. So, but it was super fun. We went on a little bit of a hike, and I was not wearing the right shoes, but it was still really fun. We sat on the edge of the pool for a while and like dangled our feet in. That was really fun. What did you think of today, husband?
It was good. We saw deer, turtles, snake, lots of stuff.
A snake
Tons
in a
of
cage.
birds. We heard woodpeckers, lots of different stuff. I don't know. It felt like we were actually like out in the wilderness, but it's like totally different type of wildlife than what we're used to from where we're from. So I thought it was really cool.
Yeah, it was funny because it's kind of just like right in the middle of a neighborhood. It's like neighborhood, and then you turn right and it's like, oh, here's the springs. But now we're back home. It's time to forget that I'm sick and eat this delicious food. Yay! So we ordered dinner from a place that's a chain, and we don't really like to do that when we're traveling, but it was easy, it had good ratings, and we just wanted to get home so that I could relax because I am a little bit exhausted from being sick. But this is the rice and bean side. Like, that is so tiny. Here's the rice, and here's the beans. I don't think I've ever seen a side of rice and beans be that small. That's hilarious.